Alright, hey guys, I'm going to go over the PPC real quick, the production possibilities curve. And so, as y'all remember, this one looks something like that. Remember that it can be a straight line, but a straight line means that the two products that you are comparing are like pretty much identical, like, I don't know, tostadas and tacos or something. But just to keep it like basic generic, we're going to put capital goods on the what is this, y-axis, and then consumer goods on the x-axis. Okay, so let's label the points on here. Any point on the PPC curve means that our economy is efficient. We're doing everything the way, you know, as best we can. We're not misusing any kind of resources or anything like that. Our unemployment rate is normal. Our normal rate of unemployment, remember, is anything between 4 and 6% unemployment. So, you know, our economy is like where we want it to be, the optimal point, you know, on there. Any point within the PPC curve in here is inefficient. Means that we have high unemployment. And or underutilization is, remember, sorry, I can't spell and talk at the same time. Underutilization, again, they all mean the same thing, or inefficient and underutilization is kind of the same thing. It's just depending on the book that you are using or who's writing the question and that kind of thing, but it's the same thing. It means the same thing. Inefficient, underutilization, that's what's going on there. Any point way out here is unattainable for now. Given our current resources, we can't get there just yet. Maybe if we come up with some kind of cool new technology, our curve would shift outward and we would be able to reach that point. But at this present time, given our current resources, it's unattainable for now. And then, of course, anywhere just outside of the curve, this is overextended. Again, this means that we're pushing ourselves way too much. Our unemployment rate is lower than the natural rate of unemployment. So it's less than 4% unemployment. We don't really want that because that typically leads to inflation and other issues. So it's like we're just pushing ourselves way too much. So if like in the car analogy that we've talked about before, inefficient would be like you driving your car down the expressway at 20 miles an hour. You know, it's not good. Your car could obviously go a lot faster than that. You're being a slowpoke. You're probably going to cause an accident or something. I don't know. Overextended, that means you're going like 130 miles an hour down the expressway. Like, yeah, maybe your car can pull that off for a little while, but to keep it going at that speed for that long, you could crash into something. You know, your economy could just fail. And then, like, being on the PPC is like the optimal, what's it called? Speed. So, you know, what, like 70 miles an hour, that's about a good speed. We're doing good. That's where we want to be. We're not going to get into any kind of trouble. And then I guess, I don't know if we're going to keep with the car analogy, the unattainable for now would be like being able to just teleport from one place to another. We can't do that now. It's not going to happen. Anyways, sorry, got a little off track there, but so that's your PPC. Again, anywhere inside of the curve is inefficient. We have high unemployment, meaning more than 6% unemployment, and we are just, you know, we're underutilizing our resources. Efficient, any point on the PPC curve. So anywhere here or over there, it's the best place. It's where we want to be. That's where our economy is doing awesome. That's where, you know, that's the goal. Overextended, we're pushing ourselves too much. And then again, unattainable, way out there. We can't get there just yet. Remember that the PPC, the actual curve itself, can shift in or out. Let's see. The changes in resource quantity quality changes in technology or changes in trade can shift our curve in or out. But yeah, so there's just a super quick review of the PPC.